Cuida, sos vos. Sos vos, pava.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
In the hell kind of contraption is this? Hold on, let me just... Oh. Whoa, what the hell is that? Just a little shit. I bop you. And I bop you again. You know, I can't seem to figure you... Wait, oh, in the whiskers, screw you. You son of a bitch. Huh, get over here. You said... Oh, shit. I'm... You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Are you... You know, you're gonna be okay.
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
My dog has two faces. The first one is when I pet him. The other face is when I don't want to pet him.
Well, today, Mr. Jingles is with his friend Ro. He's got many animal friends, Mr. Jingles. He likes Ro, he does. And Ro likes him.
Whose cat does this? Is this just me? I'm not forcing her, I swear. She just is choosing. I tried to put her down and she doesn't want to. Nothing she does is normal. She doesn't do anything normal!
Yep.
Come with me to my daddy's house for the last time ever. And no, mommy and daddy are not separating, they are not getting a divorce, and they are not about to co-parent. In fact, it is quite the opposite. Drum roll, please. Mommy and daddy are moving in together. I am so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy's house. Daddy's house. Let's go. Okay, onwards. Quick little selfie. Looking so cute. My mommy picks me up and carries me through the lobby because I'm not allowed to walk on the floors. Why? Because management thinks that I'm some dirty animal, but whatever. Their loss. Obviously, my Uber is waiting out front. SUVs only, baby. I take advantage of the time in this car because I have my mommy's undivided attention, which means lots of scratchy scratches. I hold my mommy's hand because it is not a beautiful day in Miami today. The thunder is thundering, the rain is raining. So scary. And we're here. Obviously, the first thing I do is my little leg kicks to show all the dogs in this neighborhood that I am the alpha dog around here, King Louie. This is me walking towards the building, right foot, left foot, and it's about to rain. Mommy, let's go, pick up the pace. Right foot, left foot. My mommy picks me up and carries me again because management here also thinks that I'm some dirty animal. I mean, what the actual F? What is this? Hi, I'm here for daddy. Now let us up. And naturally, the front desk human obeys my order and lets us go up. This is me waiting for the magic teleportation box to bring me upstairs so I can go see my daddy. Someone cue the magic teleportation box music. Do 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 do. Now this is the moment I've been waiting all day for. My mommy undoes my harness because there is no mean security to tell us what to do. And freedom. I do some sniffing, I do some searching, and I quickly realize where I am. And I get so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy, let's go. Is this daddy's door? Yay, we're here. Oh wait, no, wrong door. Daddy, is this daddy's door? Yay, yes it is. Let us in. Now before I can do anything, I must eat my dinner because food is life. So good. What in the world is going on in here? There are so many bags, so many boxes. Daddy needs to get it together. This is not an adequate living space for a king like me, but I'll allow it just this one time. I help my daddy decide what we're taking and what we're donating. Mommy and daddy thought that this was their time together. Nuh-uh. This visit was for me. So naturally, I get next to my daddy and I steal my mommy's man. You jealous?